Hiya folks, here we are in the van, Monday morning. I did a photo shoot yesterday all day. I come back absolutely knackered. I woke up not so long ago. Naffed me. Great day. We had it wasn't great weather, but we had a great day. But that's all that matters, I suppose. I read all my texts. Everybody's happy by the look of them. So, well, everybody bar one, but he's obviously not worth talking about. Slow down then. He's in an army jeep, doing about 180. So yeah, it's a great day. Well, it was a great day yesterday. I'm not really. This is what happens, you see, because you use all your energy. Next day, which is today, I just don't feel like doing anything at all. You know, I'm not gonna go out the shed beating my spanner. It's like a live night. The next day, I lose the next day completely because I don't get hangovers. So it's not hangovers. It's just a lack of get up and go. You know, your brain is just sitting there doing nothing. So no, I won't be. I'm just gonna have a cool day today, and it's nice that it is so cool. This is what I should be doing, laid back. Filmmaking, because you know I love my filmmaking, and that's all I should be doing now. The live nights, you know, I'm not really fussed about live nights because every word you hear now is fucking drama or something like that. And I thought, is it? You know, we're not earning enough to say it's worth doing. You know, some people are not earning nothing, and yet they've made it their career to do the internet, and I can't do that. I'm not going to say I got enough money, but I don't need money that badly to have to chase YouTube about the place, you know. YouTube's great, it's a great thing, but it's all down to actually video making. Everybody heard me say that I would rather do editing. If people wanted to send me their videos, I would be quite happy just sitting there editing and earning, as long as you're earning a couple of quid, you know. So by going, by putting yourself out in a live stream, it alters it, because you become then out there. You're a target. So you know you've got to take the hose with the bros. So it's a strange thing. I've never ever been fussed about live nights. It's something we did to have a friendly chat with a friendly gang of people. But you know, as you heard, everybody got their own live show now. You can't like everybody. It's an impossibility. You can't like everybody. You're gonna get baddies and bucket mouths and nasties and backstabbers, and you're gonna get all that. And you know, it's all part of being that live night thing. Is it fucking worth it? Is it fucking worth it? Can I get through here? Yeah, I can. We're in. And that's it. Wherever it did, I don't know. But welcome to my house of fun. So here we are.
Here we are.
He's got me labouring again. He thinks I'm an old hacker.
Ooh yeah.
So our discussion was on my way over here about live nights. I was saying, I'll tell Jason now, Jason sat next to me. I was saying it's not really that important in life. Live nights.
No.
If it all went away, disappeared. Because I said, you know, I don't mind speaking the truth because you're going to see it later on YouTube. I said I love editing. Everybody knows I love the editing part of because I'm a filmmaker. So I said if people sent me their videos, I'd be quite happy sat at home editing and still making $1, you know. Because you can make money doing anything, apparently. I don't know about that. I think money, some sort of skill goes into making money, don't it?
Well, yeah.
You can't be a donut.
A modicum of skill, I suppose, in your chosen profession to make money. Some people make money just for the sake of being able to make money, which in itself is a skill, isn't it?
Of course, the skill is making the money.
Yeah.
So, but I said on the way over, I'm not really in need of money.
No.
Because I got nothing to use it for anyway. All I do with my money is diesel to get out of the house. So to get out of the house, I need diesel. I need obviously tax on the vehicle, and I need insurance on the vehicle. And apart from that, I don't need nothing else. You don't see me rushing out buying things because I got no interest now.
Yeah.
You know, I'm too tight to buy a fucking burger. So we're going over there. Can't miss it. Down here, turn left. Right. If you turn left, you're going home. If you turn right, you're not going home. We're gonna go and get a car transporter.
Car transporter.
Because we're shifting a car.
We are shifting. Ooh baby, yeah.
We bought our Robert a little car which you don't know about, so we got to go and get the transporter, and we're going to surprise him with it. So whether my battery lasts that long till we actually come back with the car on the back and watch Robert's little face say, "Fucking hell, Dad, you're the fucking best."
He'll probably say, "Why the fuck have you done that to me, you bastard?"
Well, it was just weird because he was on about buying me a car this morning.
Yeah, that's
fucking weird. That's fucking weird going on. See, weird. It's a weird life. Things all come together. Perhaps I had somebody praying for me because I have sinned.
Yeah. We all have a bit of a sin from time to time.
I said to it. None of us are perfect. None of us. Something somewhere is going to annoy the fucking shit out of you. And me more and others. I think that's obviously got to be down to an age thing, surely.
Yeah, it could be. It could be. We do become less tolerant the older we get, I find.
Yeah. See, so it could be. I'm normal as everybody else, apart from a bit older. And you know, and I just don't take shit. So yeah, I'm going to put it down to that. So I'm going to shut off, and we're going to try and save batteries because we're going to go and get a thing, and then we're going to come back, and then we're going to go back there, over there, and then we're going to probably come back, and then we're going to have a cup of coffee.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah! You can do it! Yeah, you pull around the front, and I'll just shout in. We're nicking a trailer. Okay.
let me go. Right, you can make it in.
Right, nothing can fall off.
No.
That bonnet's not going to jump.
No, that's clamped in with the
You want to wash it? Testing my strapping capabilities. Yeah, yeah. Okay then.
Thanks. You're a good man.
I wonder what I was doing here. That'll fall off, Emma, when you... Wait for me, wait for me! Ah. Okay, Tonto. Time for me to be fucking ready. Still wet. Get an engine. Yeah, it's lovely. Well, that went in, eh? We're only learning, like, mister.